Guys, do you want to write code in different programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, and you don't have proper code editor? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on your system for writing any programming language code. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the video. You can open any of your browser and simply search for VS Code download. And herein guys, you can see official website of Microsoft. Simply click on this link. It will redirect you to this page, and here we have different operating system available. Based on your operating system, you can select. I'm selecting for Windows. Now you can see the download has been started. It will take a while, and guys, here my download is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe. Here it is showing me license and agreement page, so I'm going to select I accept and going to click on next button. Here it's showing me installation location. If you wish to change, you can click on browse button and change. I'm simply clicking on next button. Now here it will add my VS Code in start menu folder. Now next, additional task. If you want shortcut on desktop, then you can select the first option. If you want to have VS Code option, when you right click on your Python file or any other file or on your folder, then you can select second and third option and click on install button. And guys, you can see the installation has been started. It will take a while. And guys, my installation is done now. Here it's showing me finish button. I'm simply going to click on this button, and here you can see VS Code editor has been started. It's showing me welcome screen. So first time it will show you welcome screen. You can close this, and we have various options like open folder extension. All these options are available. So I have created separate video for running C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, all that in VS Code. I will provide link of all this video in description box. Certainly you can watch that. And guys, if my video has helped you in downloading VS Code, do hit on like button and share with your friend. And if any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. I have my website where I have created different tutorials. You can certainly visit that. All are free. And guys, different social media link I have given in description box and PDF on Telegram. You can certainly join that. And very important for me is your subscription. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.